Hi, I'm Joe.
I'm Emily.
In February 2022, we rented a one-way car to Arizona and bought a 1986 Toyota Motorhome sight unseen. Since then, we've had a couple adventures, but mostly we've been renovating all the water damage and everything that needs upgrading for the last few months with the plan to head out on the road next year. We've been making some amazing progress on it. Unfortunately, today and the rest of the week, Southern California is under an excessive heat advisory, so there is not a chance in the world that we're going to stand out here and roast. We're going to take all that tedious work that we've been putting off and bring it inside to our AC oasis. You ready for that?
Yeah.
Let's go inside. I feel like I'm melting.
Let's go.
That is so hot. I'm doing great. Got what we need. Well, hello. That is so much better. Oh, 72 degrees as opposed to 102. No. Bombarded. Oh my gosh. You guys. Can't I just do push-ups?
Oh my God.
We're ready.
We're inside in the air conditioning.
How nice does it feel?
I mean, as someone who didn't grow up with air conditioning in Southern California, and it's a 100-degree day plus, I'm very grateful for air conditioning. So, we're gonna have some projects, hang out with Bailey.
We just made the couch and she tore it up. It's okay. Yeah. Wow, you are so cute right now.
It's your new toy.
Please don't make me move.
It's your new toy. So today's a little self-care / be productive, sorta. We've got our table out next to our cozy couch that's getting destroyed by the dog. But we're gonna do what you've seen in previous videos. We're gonna remove all the beetle tape, all the gunk, and clean up some of the windows, which we're able to do inside the air conditioning.
Oh man.
Sorry, I don't like opening them, so I'm kind of glad it just did it on its own. Sorry, dogs. And my little squeaks. I gotta get rid of these little squeaks.
On my way to a weekend rumble, I forgot to check where the party was at. Roaming around without any trouble, I began to ask
A toast.
A toast.
To our 200 subscribers.
Yeah, 199 more than we ever thought we'd have.
Cheers.
But seriously, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Healthy. Bye. What's up? Surf's up, bro. We did it. We finished the window. It looks so good. It looks brand new. That means all the windows are done. We finally did that, so once this is framed up, we can slap them in.
All the windows over the bed. Then we have the rest of the windows.
Yeah, I got ahead of myself. So, it is so hot right now. All week has been relentless, and we've been working indoors.
And it just keeps getting hotter. It doesn't, it's like overcast right now, but it's still 95 degrees and extremely humid. So it feels even hotter than 95 degrees.
Yeah, there's nothing we can do out here right now. Like, it's been 2 minutes and I'm perspirating.
Yeah,
So
it's a rough one.
We should go upstairs and find something cool. Find a way to cool down.
Sounds good.
That sounds fun. Ready?
This isn't right.
Not bad. Hi.
Hey, Bailey, you want to come in?
I think we could do better.
Okay, let's
Here we
try.
go. Party time! Party time!
Oh my gosh, we probably need to clean this up.
Well, that is it for this week. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for watching us be weird. Say bye to the lobster. We will see you guys next week. All right, that's a wrap on this. You still good?
Yeah.
Hey.
I love you.
It's perfect. You're freaking my life. Bye!